Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the filter just for a background. For example, I'm going to select the video. I'm going to change for aspect ratio. Alright, and to resize. So I'm going to copy paste and put the right. So for the first clip, you are just going to select filters and select filters you like. For example, I'm going to select the VW. Sorry, VW. Just added it right, and just for the duration, it's assembling with the first clip. So select the first clip and the filter, and right click, select create component clip. So for the second clip, we are just going to make it as an overlay. So move up like this, and you can remove the background cutout. Select how to cut out. We go. So you can see the BW filter applied to background. Right. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.